Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Well, I seriously was not planning on making a fucking video. I'm just in the middle of making some fucking lunch, and that was delayed by almost 2 hours. Thank you to Chris the Butcher and his lovely wife, Lou. So, make sure Lou sees this video, buddy. I'm doing my fried fucking chicken finally. Lunch is fucked. Now this is like halfway between lunch and supper, so fried chicken leper. There you go, bitches. Well, fuck. Drink up, buttercup. What is the day today? 31 January. Tomorrow is February. Woohoo! Alright, chicken, flour, egg wash, more seasoned flour. Pot is fucking heating up. Alright. I have to stop this for a second because this is not planned. This is not a how-to. This is just what you guys interrupted with your live stream. Motherfuckers. Woo! Alright. Give me a minute. I've lost my train of thought. Or my thought of train. Or I'm thinking about trains. Woo-hoo! Alright, I'll be back. Alright, here we go. Piece of chicken into flour. Give her a nice fucking dusting. Excess off. Bang. Eggy washy. Washy poo. Excess off. And we're not double doing this. There you go. Bitchy! There we go. Okay, I'm doing 3 at a time. Alright, mofos. Here we go. Tres. Okay. Woo! Yeah! Motherfucker. Alright. This is Mr. CTB. This is not fried chicken done in the oven. No abortions here, buddy. Okay, drink up, buttercup. We'll let this go for about 15 minutes. Pretty snappy, eh? That's how you do it, buddy. I got 3 more to do, and leper. I'm not gonna make fries. I have something else planned for later on. I'll make fries for later. When I have cold chicken, then I'll have fries. I'm gonna get high, that's what I'm gonna do. Woo! Hey, anybody, need a potato gun? Got a sweet potato gun. Bang, bang! Nice. Smelling good. Looking good. I'm doing this because I have to change the oil. Oh, I'm gonna filter this oil, but I'm doing a big cook in a few days. Get ready for it. At least 50 ingredients. Alright, bitches. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. That's been about, I don't know, 15, 16 minutes. Smells fucking beautiful, I tell you that. Smells fucking dynamite! Woo! Okay, there you go, bitchy. That's how it's supposed to look. Woo! Hot thighs. That chickie's got hot thighs. fuck all in there. Nice. That's the way you want it. You don't want any big fucking crispy critters floating around in there. Now, oh, cheers, big ears. Woo! Mmm. Yummy! 3 more! Bitchy! Ba-bang! Woo! Look out. Oh! Bang! Alright! No more inspection gloves. Woo! Nice. We'll let this fucking cool down. We'll let this go. So we'll come back in about 15 minutes. So it'll be 10 after 4. Shut the door. Shootsy scores. Woo! Alright, bitches. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. CTB. Team CTB. Make some fucking fried chicken. Not oven fried shit. Abortions. Alright. That's how we do it in the drunk house, man. Bitches. Alright. We'll be back. RTFO, mofos. Alright, bitches. We're good to go. Shut her down. Bitchy. Nice. We'll let these fuckers cool off. And I gotta get a plate. Come on. Get it. Fried chicken. We'll use some Royal Dalton for fried chicken. Gotta love the Royal Dalton. My Royal Dalton's from 1956 and 55. Whee! Come on, bitchy. Karsts. Oh, there's some stomach. You'll still be good to do fries later on. Then I'll strain you. Yeah. Okay. Drink up, buttercup. Get a plate. Let this cool down for a minute. And, you know. Woo! Chicken thighs. Nummy. Alright, bitches. We'll be back. I gotta get a beer, too. Alright, bitches. Here we go. Let's give this a whirl. Should I get a knife and fork? Fuck. Tasty. Bastard fried chicken. Woo! Last minute of play in this period. Oh, fucking A. All right. Thigh is good. Fuck me. That's fucking beautiful. Oh! Woo! No abortions here, Mr. CTB. Fucking A. Oh yeah. Fucking right. Oh yeah, I didn't take a temperature. I might die. It's chicken, you know. It'll kill us all. Fucking A right. Still nice and warm. Of course, this is from the first batch. That's fucking awesome. There you go. Bastard fried chicken. Okay, that's my short little video for today. Fuck me. Even because I was not even planning on making a video. Sun's out. That's nice. Got a lot of flour to clean up. It's alright. That's what happens when you fuck with flour. It makes a mess. It goes poof! But it's worth it. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Alright, bitches. I'm wasting bandwidth. You know what to do. Drink up, buttercup. Cheers, big ears. Rock the fuck on, bitches. Buy more beer. Woo! Alright. That's how we do it in the drunk house.